now.
Hi guys, it's Izzy from Naughty Reviews, and today we're doing the Fashion Angels Find Your Wings box. So this box is for girls 8 to 12, and it has, so everything inside is valued at $80 put together, but it's only $30.
35.
35. Oops. And is that it?
I think that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
It comes monthly.
Oh yes, it does.
Great gift for Christmas, right?
Yes, definitely. We gave it to my cousin and she loved it.
Is it your favorite box?
Yeah.
I think so. I have tons of these items floating around the house.
Yeah.
All right, so open this one up, baby.
Okay. So the first thing is this keychain. It's so cute, and it has like sequins, and it's like a boot with flowers, and I just like it. Look how cute it is. Okay. Next up is this hairbrush mirror. This is actually perfect because I had one of these and then I lost it. And it says "Let the sun shine," and the color's like really pretty.
That's your color, Belle.
Next up, perfect for fall. Yay! It's a Smash Pumpkin Slimy Bath Burst. So like a bath bomb, and it will make the water slimy.
Did you have one of those last year?
Yeah, and I used it.
It was really nice. It smelled good. I remember that. Yay!
And it comes in really good packaging too. So no one will steal it. Next up is, oh my gosh, there's little lip gloss rings.
Ooh.
So basically it has cotton candy, strawberry scent, and pineapple scent, and then you get to make like little rings. Oh my gosh, this chair is squeaking.
I know, I was noticing that.
And then it's like the rings, and you basically will like decorate these and put the lip gloss in.
Oh, that is so cute.
So it's like in disguise lip gloss.
But it's also like craft.
Yeah.
And then there are instructions too.
It's like really cute.
That is super cute. I love that. Very cool.
Next, what is this? Chroma sticks. What's that?
I don't know. It looks like some sort of crayon.
Probably.
Let me see. Yeah, they look like crayons.
Whoa. They're like cool shape.
Never seen a crayon like that.
And it has like a whole bunch of different colors.
Mm-hmm.
That one's my favorite.
Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah. These are really cool. Next up is this bag with something in it. Oh, yay, more beads! And string. So like it's like a little kit with beads and stuff.
Ooh, a necklace kit then,
Yeah,
or a bracelet.
really
wow,
cute.
look at all those.
Oh, and they're like pastel.
Let's keep them all in the bag.
So it like matches this.
So Henry
too.
doesn't get them.
It's really cute. Yeah. Okay, this is probably like my favorite right now. I just love the bag too. Look how cute that is. And then we have this for real photo real sketch thing, and it has like foam bead heart thing.
Ooh, that's cute.
Yeah, and it's like you can like color it.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Look
oh
at
my goodness! I love it. Oh my gosh,
it's really cute.
oh my gosh, I love that the cat has blush.
Okay, and then the last thing is this bracelet.
Aww.
It's really cute.
Very shiny. All right, so for your $35, you get
this really cute bracelet. Ooh, what's this? This these chroma stick crayons in really cool packaging. It's reusable. Ooh. Okay. This cute little keychain.
Very cute. I can see that on your backpack.
This
poppable brush.
Yes, with a mirror.
Bubble brush.
Lip gloss rings.
Yes. Girl.
Smash Pumpkin Slime Bath Bomb. It actually probably is different scents, so. Okay. This for real sketch portfolio set. And then this whoops, cute bag. Really cute bag with beads inside. Look how cute those star beads are though.
Oh, look at those beads magically.
Yeah.
Magic hand.
Gorgeous.
And those are just instructions. So if you guys are interested in checking out